is good deeds reflect good character.
Reflect good ideals. Ma'am, good characters.
Yeah, good deeds reflect good characters. Clear? Can you hear? No problem. So, what is character? How will you start? How will you start writing? So, which one is important? Two things are good deeds and character. So, first thing is, what is character? Can anyone define character?
Ma'am,
Character
is the thought of the others towards us.
Character is the mental and moral qualities. So what type of qualities we need? Our principles, faith, ethics, morals, social etiquette, respect for others, equality, purpose, attitude, honor, trust, rules, integrity, etc. These are the things required. My voice is not clear. Is it clear now?
Ma'am, clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, but video is not. It's clear.
Video is not clear. What is written on the blackboard, that is not, green board, that is not clear.
Yes,
Ma'am, clear है.
Okay, if it is not clear, doesn't matter.
पढ़ रहा है.
अगर clear नहीं है तो it doesn't matter because I am speaking. मैं speak तो कर रही हूँ ना. So
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
मैम आपका आवाज रिपीट हो रहा है.
Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
And everyone's
यस मैम.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, not echoing, ma'am.
Ma'am, सही तो है.
अगर वो इको करता है तो मुझे भी इको करता है. It's not echoing.
नेट प्रॉब्लम किससे होता है मैम?
और नेट प्रॉब्लम से हो रही होगी. Okay, so good deeds reflect good character. How will you write? First, you will define character. What is character? First thing. Second thing, how people will judge your character.
उसके बाद बताएंगे कि मैं हम लोग का जो deeds है वो character से कैसे related है.
हाँ, yes. Suppose that you are crossing across. You are going somewhere. You saw someone who is injured. You stop. Suppose that you are going to school. You found someone injured, waiting for someone's help, and you think of not going to school and helping the needy person. How will people
Ma'am, your voice
see
is
your
not
character?
clear.
How will parents see your character?
As a helpful citizen.
How will people think about your character? Suppose that if you going to school, it was also very, very important. Just a minute, let me take a phone. What happened? Okay, right now class is going on. So talk to me after 10:40, okay? So, how will you people judge your character?
No.
Ma'am, as a helpful citizen of society.
So, how people judged you? By your deed. It was judged by your deed.
Deeds.
Understood? Can anyone speak a few points? Anyone? Can we say our character is a profile of habits and disposition to act in a certain way? If you steal someone's copy, how will people judge you? Copy is very important for you. It is examination time and you need question answer urgently. So you steal someone's copy. How will people judge you?
By our character.
And by our action.
अगर आप किसी की कॉपी चुरा लेते हैं, वो कॉपी एग्जाम के लिए, एग्जाम की ही कॉपी है, वो आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप ये सोचते हैं कि चलो मैंने कॉपी बनाई नहीं थी तो चलो मैं चोरी कर लेती हूँ या कर लेता हूँ. हाउ विल पीपल जज यू? ये आपका एक्शन
सेल्फ सेंटर्ड भी,
सेल्फ सेंटर्डनेस में जाएगा ना.
सेल्फ सेंटर्ड भी. यस मैम.
Selfishness. So your character, your action judge.
And the one who has lost the notebook can be said careless.
Yeah. If you are good, if you are helping, if you are concerned towards others, if you take care of your parents, if you care for your neighbors, if you care for your family members, how will people judge you? You will be
Ma'am, helpful and caring.
As a caring person.
As a caring person.
Concerned.
Caring person.
So our character, our action decides our character. So what is action? Deed. Deed means in Hindi you can say कर्म. तो जो काम हम करते हैं उसी से मेरा एक्शन, उसी से मेरा कैरेक्टर डिसाइड होता है. अगर हम चोरी करेंगे और हम कहेंगे कि मेरा कैरेक्टर तो बहुत अच्छा है, will people think same?
No ma'am.
No ma'am.
No ma'am.
No ma'am.
So, is the topic clear to everyone? ये टॉपिक सारे स्टूडेंट को समझ में आ गया?
Yes ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Yes.
Now, should we start the next topic, last topic? Friday there will be no class.
मैम इन सब टॉपिक पे आर्टिकल लिखना या ऐसे?
तुम लोग ये सारे टॉपिक पे ऐसे के फॉर्म में लिख करके रख लेना. And we don't know how will it come. It may come as वो डायरी एंट्री भी आ सकती है. Generally आता आर्टिकल या स्पीच ही है, but it may come in any form. And if it will come for 8 marks. जो previous year syllabus की बात हम लोग करें, previous year question pattern की बात करें, तो it will come for 8 marks. So 8 marks matters.
On Friday.
Are done? So our last
Yes,
topic. So everyone knows there will be class on Friday. Friday is a holiday. 21st.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, na?
Bye.
Almanac to
Yes, ma'am.
You to Ganesh Chaturthi.
yes, Ganesh Chaturthi
Yes,
and
ma'am. 22 को गणेश चतुर्दशी.
मैम गणेश चतुर्थी and 30.
no. Our school is closed only on 21st. It is not on 22nd.
मैम 22nd को है मैम गणेश चतुर्थी.
But
मैम 21st को है.
almanac में जो है ना, almanac को चेक करो.
मैम ग्रुप में कल वो भी भेजा गया.
Almanac was sent in the group.
Calendar.
Clear? So our last topic is caring for elderly. What do you mean by caring for elderly? Anyone? Any idea?
Ma'am means to serve
Taking
our
care
elders
of
and
our
respect them.
grandparents
मैम taking
and
care.
elders.
Ma'am, to respect
Helping
them.
the elders.
Helping.
Taking care of the elder people of the family or neighbors also. Suppose that every time your elders are not with you. Sometimes what happened, your father has been transferred somewhere and parents are not able, your grandparents are not able to stay with you. So in this way, you can think mentally, you can talk to them, and other ways also there. You can suppose that neighborhood, someone is there who is quite elderly and he or she needs your support. If you are helping, it's also great help. अगर आपके पास में भी कोई elderly people हैं और आप कुछ नहीं उनके लिए medicines ही ले आके दे देते हैं. If you are going to market and if you ask that do you need anything, I am going that side, I will bring for you. This is also caring for elderly, isn't it? And if your grandparents are with you and you are carrying them, very good. You are blessed. And in this way also, if everyone in the society think for the elder people, they will not have any problem. Suppose that you think of if you are living in an apartment and you find any family, anyone is there who is living alone, no one is there to look after. You think for small things. That what did I say while going to market? Just ask, uncle, I am going that side, or grand uncle, I am going that side. Do you want something? I will bring for you. Small things. You are not supposed that every time you do very big things. Small things also matter. If you think, if you spare some time, it is caring for them. And everyone, suppose that you are carrying someone here and this habit has been inculcated in the whole society. Someone will be looking after your grandparents also somewhere. Isn't it? It should be in your thought. Caring for the needy. Caring for needy is something else. Even elderly people also come in this group. Harsh Kumar, I am going to remove without proper identification. Understood? Caring for elderly. How will you start?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you start caring for elderly?
Ma'am, caring for elderly is one of the moral that we should care in our society. Caring for elderly does not mean to care only the elders of our family, but also in neighbors and our society. For caring them, we can help them and respect them, and can provide them service for their various works that they have to do in their daily life.
Very nice. Here, I am going to read one essay that has got third prize at essay competition. I will read. You can take some points from that essay also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This is third prize at essay competition organized by the Department of English and Communication. Caring for the elderly, a hindrance or an aid to self-development. To care for someone who once cared for us is the highest honor. Very nice line. To care for someone who once cared for us is the highest honor. Miss,
Please unmute yourself.
actually connectivity
मैम
connection was lost.
आपकी आवाज नहीं
मैम आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है.
Connection was lost.
मैम
That's why this problem took place.
आपकी आवाज
Getting,
कट के आ रही है.
is it coming now?
Ma'am, please mute everyone.
Is it
Yes,
coming
ma'am.
now? So
Yes,
I'm-
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
To
Yes,
care
ma'am.
for someone who once cared for us is the highest honor. Getting old is an inevitable process. Isn't it? Everyone. After a few years, I will also grow old. Now your parents are young. After a few years, they will also grow old. If my voice
Ma'am, background noise is coming. Please mute everyone.
Yeah. Let me check. Mute all. I have muted all. So it is inherent to human being, and with old age comes maturity, wisdom, and respectability. People who are old, they are not burden for us. They are full of wisdom. They are full of practical experience. They are full of practical knowledge. Elderly people are precious. They are the revered members of our family, voices, keeper of tradition. They are the keeper of tradition. They are a gold mine, storehouse of knowledge. Very nice sentence. They are a gold mine, storehouse of knowledge. You can add these lines. So, elderly people are truest form of wisdom. Elderly teaches the value of family, relationship, and life. As humans are industrious beings, we won't like to feel stagnant. We love progress, and through progress we win. caring for elderly help us to grow in many ways, which altogether lead to who we are. A few lines you can take from, because here it is only written what are the qualities for elderly. We should not care elderly people because they are wisdom house of knowledge, they are a gold mine of knowledge. We should care because they need. And once they were young and we were child, they helped us. Isn't it? If they have not cared us in our childhood days, we would have not been able to be what we are. Isn't it? So we should
Yes, ma'am.
take care of elderly people selflessly. If you help anyone, because if you think that I should help because okay, this is also good. But if you think no, they need help, I should help. I am capable of helping others, I will help.
मतलब बीच में यही दो को एक चीज जोड़ सकते हैं कि पहले जो एल्डरली लोगों का और उसके बाद हम लोगों का लिखेंगे, और ये जोड़ते हुए कि आज हम लोग जो हैं उन लोग की वजह से।
Yes, yes, yes.
इसीलिए हम लोग को केयर करना जरूरी है।
We can say that caring for, if I get a chance to care elderly people, I am blessed. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone lives for oneself. अपने लिए तो सब जीते हैं ना, but if you are sparing some time for others, that makes you real human being. Human being and being
that
human,
is the
both are
real honor.
different thing. Human being means as everyone. Human being का मतलब क्या हुआ? If you are born to you are a human, but being human means having good qualities of that is also there in 3 questions. Was it there that for that purpose alone man was sent into the life? Also, is it easy to do caring for elderly? Can you people?
Yes, ma'am.
तुम लोग अपने से लिख सकते हो ना?
Yes, ma'am.
And good character reflects good character reflects good deed reflects good character. Can you write that also?
Yes, ma'am.
Only 3-4 minutes are left, no? So
2 minutes.
2 minutes are left. So anyone, any doubt in all the 4 topics that we have done? Monday we did 2 topics.
Ma'am, topic.
Your voice is not clear. I think net problem is there. Your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, 4 topics के मैम आप ग्रुप पे भेज देंगे.
What you want to say?
मैम आप जितने भी आपने मैम टॉपिक बताया ना उन टॉपिक के नेम आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे भेज देंगे.
Okay, better you write me on WhatsApp. I am not able to get you. ठीक है?
मैम बोल रहा है कि आप जितना भी टॉपिक बताई हैं उन सबको टॉपिक को लिख के भेज दीजिए.
हाँ, ये सारे टॉपिक पे तो लिखने होंगे ना. अगर डायरेक्ट अगर एग्जाम में लिखोगे तो
टॉपिक कौन कौन सा है वो भेज दीजिए. टॉपिक कौन कौन सा है वो सब
बोल रहा है. स्नैप होमवर्क पे मैंने मंडे को ही भेजा था. You people have not. स्नैप होमवर्क पे मैंने भेज दिया था और
यस मैम, स्नैप होमवर्क।
यस मैम। अब कुछ दिनों के बाद आपके व्हाट्सएप पे कुछ नहीं जाने वाला है। एवरीथिंग विल बी देयर ऑन द स्नैप होमवर्क। सो यू पीपल डेवलप अ हैबिट ऑफ विजिटिंग स्नैप होमवर्क। आप स्नैप होमवर्क को विजिट करने की हैबिट बना लें। अंडरस्टूड?
यस मैम।
ऑल दीज टॉपिक्स आई हैव ये सारे टॉपिक का स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर के मैंने भेज दिया था। ओके, टुडे आल्सो आई विल सेंड। आज भी मैं भेज दूंगी, सेम टॉपिक्स को ही भेजूंगी। एंड आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर। अब तुम लोगों को इस टॉपिक पे समझाने की जरूरत है या पॉइंट्स तुम लोगों को मिल गया?
हो गया।
क्या ना? इज इट ओवर? ओके, वेटिंग फॉर एनी टाइम, एनी मोमेंट it may be disconnected.
Less than 1 minute.
Yes, that I am telling. Any moment it will be